China built the factory of the world. Now, the world is trying to build a factory without China. But where does the production go when the political costs outweigh the profits? Many say the answer is India. Today, we unpack the global race to relocate supply chains and India's bid to lead it. In the early 2000s, China was the undisputed king of global manufacturing, with infrastructure, efficiency, and political control. India, despite its size, trailed behind due to bureaucracy and fragmented policies. But that gap is narrowing. Since the 1991 liberalization reforms, India has slowly but steadily repositioned itself. With its massive workforce and improving logistics, it's no longer just a back-office hub. It wants the machines, not just the code. In 2022, Foxconn, Apple's main supplier, began a major shift. After protests and lockdowns in its Chinese factories, Foxconn invested over $1.5 billion in southern India. That wasn't an experiment. It was a pivot. Other tech giants followed, Samsung, Dell, even Tesla. India became the China Plus One strategy in real time. The message was clear. Geopolitical risk now equals supply chain fragility. India responded with policy, the Make in India initiative and production-linked incentive schemes offered subsidies for manufacturers across electronics, semiconductors, and renewables. Major ports like Mumbai and Chennai were upgraded. Special economic zones sprouted across Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. India wasn't just inviting factories. It was building a state-led industrial machine. But questions remain. Can it scale? Can it deliver quality at speed? Today, India is not alone. Vietnam, Mexico, Indonesia. All are competing for the same industrial exodus. But India has something they don't: scale, democracy, and a growing consumer market. Western firms aren't just outsourcing, they're investing. Microsoft opened new data centers. Google expanded fintech infrastructure. The US and Japan integrated India into strategic dialogues like the Quad. This isn't just commerce, it's diplomacy. In 2025, during a severe China-Taiwan military standoff, semiconductor shipments froze across Asia. While most nations scrambled, India surged. With ready capacity and political neutrality, India received emergency chip orders from the EU, Korea, and even Taiwan. It wasn't just a backup, it became Plan A. India is not trying to be the next China. It's trying to be the first India. A different model for a different era. But as costs rise and supply chains tighten, one question remains. If China built the past, who builds the future? If strategy, history, economics, and finance shape the world, this is where they converge.